It should be separated by comma. Okay. Then IRA, comma 20. Yes. Okay. Next we are going to print of student. We'll see how the output will be. See, this is the output it's showing here. In the list, Raju is 20, Ira is 20. So this is how it's printing now. This is called as nested loops. You can do whatever in the nested loop. Let me change it here, little changes. If I give bracket here, what will happen? If I give bracket here, see, what's this? What's going on here? See, it's just if you are giving bracket parenthesis, it will show in small parenthesis. If you are going to give a square bracket, it is giving in the square bracket. That's it. Nothing changes. This is how it will work, nested list. And where are we using this in real life? Student records. Yes, to maintain the student records, we are going to use all this. And shopping list. Yes, lists are very important. Sometimes, many a times we make the list, right, when we are going to buy a huge items to our home. And next, employee details. Yes, of course. Product list. Yes, marks list. Yes, to do list. Yes. And what are the common mistakes? See, using invalid index. If you're going to use invalid index, it won't work. And forgetting square brackets. Yes, many times I have done in this session only forgetting brackets, square brackets, wherever necessary. I have done those mistakes. You should not do. And confusing append and extend. Okay. Here, append, it will add an item at the last end of the list. Whereas extend, it will add multiple elements, okay, multiple elements at the end. This is how those two will work and don't get confused. Next, trying to access an index that doesn't exist. See, if you're going to give an index that doesn't exist in the list, it's not going to work. And these are the practice programs. Create a list of 5 fruits, pause the video and just go through it and practice it. Okay, remove a fruit for the list. These and all I have done in this session only. Once again, you should practice all this. For a quick revision, what is list? List means collection of items, right? List means collection of items. Then list are ordered. Yes, list are ordered. Okay, list are mutable. List allow duplicate values. Yes, you can insert duplicate values like mango can be inserted at a different position. Yes, and indexing starts from 0. Yes, of course, indexing always starts from 0. Use append to add items. Yes, you can use append to add items. Use remove or pop to delete items. Yes, use remove or pop to delete items. Wherever you can also use delete option or clear option also. Okay, the list are ordered. If it's unordered, you can use the sort function to make it order. And list are mutable. Yes, you can change the list by following options. And at the summary, what is the list? Creating list, indexing, slicing, updating list. These are and all we have done this session. Adding elements, removing elements, list methods, nested list. What is nested list? A list inside another list is called as nested list.